Hey guys, this is a 2013 Toyota Sienna, and today I'll be showing you how to change out the interior light bulbs to LED. So you're dealing with 13 bulbs. You have this right here. I just changed it, and you also have one on the other side. So for the two front doors, you have a bulb in there, and then for this right here, this sun visor, you have these lights in here, so two bulbs in here, and then also in the other sun visor you have, or whatever you call this, you have two bulbs in here too as well. That's right there. Okay, and then you have these two right here. Okay, and then you have over here, you have those two in the back, these two right here on both sides. And you're not done yet. There's one more in the trunk. So I purchased my lights from Temu. It just happens to be the most ideal choice for us here in Guam at this point. And so you may have other options like Amazon or eBay, whatever it is. But if you have to use Temu, all I typed in is just you just search for the version of your car and what you're looking for. So in this case, 2013 Toyota Sienna LED interior LED kit. So it should be this right here. So I'm gonna do this, and all you have to do for this right here is, do you see this little opening right here? Right here, this is where you just get a smaller screwdriver if you can, or get this plastic pry tool, but it's too short for me. Kind of hurts when I press it in. Basically, force it in here and pry it out. I can't do it with my phone in my hands. Do this. Repeat the same thing right here, and then let me show what it looks like inside once you have the cover out. And all you gotta do is just poke it out. Be careful. Okay, so just poke it out and stick it out. Some of these lights are very hard, so be careful when you take them out so you don't burn yourself. Okay, and we are replacing them with this right here. This is what we're gonna replace them with. Okay, not this is the old one, but this. Okay, got one right there, right there. So you see this right here? Right here is where it needs to go in that little channel, that bracket. Terminal. Boom, done. And then get your plastic thingies, and that should go here. Just snap it in. And snap it in. Boom. So you're done with this section. Alright, and then for this one, to take it off, all you gotta do is right here. And it's out, and the light is right here. Okay, so take the old one out, put the new one in, take the old one out, put the new one in. I was using this pry tool to basically pull it out, then pull it out. Okay, once it's done, you go ahead and replace your covers. Either that one, we're gonna do this one right here. Probably this one goes closer. Let's go that side. Okay, remember, you're still using, this is the one you're changing. So they take this type of bulb, okay? All right, let's go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pry it out for you. Like I said, just remember, the way you take this out is the same for that and all the other ones around. For this one, all you gotta do is, so you got this side right here, so the opposite side is pry it out, and then this just comes out. Okay, slide it out like that. Now you see that? So this is the LED one, right? The other one, all you gotta do is just pry it out. Okay, just pry it out carefully. Once it drops out, slide the new one in. That's it. It's really simple. It's just like that. Alright, let me show you the last one. This one right here. It's gonna be okay. For this one, okay, so for this one, for the right side, you wanna, or the driver's, the passenger side, you wanna pry on the right side of it, of this box. Just get this off. So what I'm gonna do is just right here. Just slide it in. Okay. Right there. Don't go too much, but just make sure it's sitting in there nice and tight enough. It's not gonna just fall out whenever you close and open the door. Boom, and then slide it in. Boom. Alright, so whatever you saw me do here, you're just gonna repeat it for the other door on the driver's side. Now let me go in the back and show you. It's right here. Okay, for this one, pry from this side. Boom, and then for this one, it's a different type of bulb. This is a this is a different one. See that? And for this one, you wanna make sure that it's facing down that way. There you go. Again, disconnect from here, put a new one in, good to go, and then connect it back. It's on. Put the cover on. This is the cover. This cover right here. It just snaps in, so you can make sure it goes on the right way. So you can snap in. Okay, just like that. Put it back in, and then try it. Boom, boom. I'll leave it on because it only opens whenever the door is open. Alright, that's it.